1971 Datsun 510. This one has a pretty special place in my automotive love. This particular one we've nicknamed Vanilla Shake due to its creamy paint job. They included the trim, which I think was an excellent touch. It's got real race car vibes on the inside. Clean, minimal. Grab your key, put it in. Ignition, fuel. Shifter's right here next to the steering wheel. Race mirror. Alcantara headliner. Really cool. Roll cage. Willwood discs, front and rear. They also did paint match the window or the trim around the lights, which looks super cool. I'm not sure what exact model taillight that is. Maybe a Japanese only option. Looks so sick. Somebody's gonna get a really, really fun car. Thanks for looking.